If you need help saying the J sound, make sure you check out my video. I'm happy to help you. Also remember, G can also say J, just like in giraffe. Okay, so we're going to practice phrases with the J sound in the first part of the word. Repeat after me. Jump high. Red gem. Baby giraffe. Jailhouse. Home gym. Red jello. Smooth jazz. Juggle 3 balls. Green jungle. Blue jeans. Now J or J will be in the middle of the word. So let's try. Fast engine. Good imagination. Sneaky badger. Three badges. Fidget spinner. Pesky pigeon. Two surgeons. Toy soldier. Secret agent. Healthy vegetables. Now the J sound will be the last sound in one of the words. Repeat after me. Vanilla fudge. Silver badge. Cheese wedge. Bird cage. New bridge. Yellow sponge. Fresh cabbage. Orange slice. Garbage can. Big stage. You did wonderful. I'll see you soon. We'll practice together again. Bye.